Hey everyone, I received iPhone 7 for repair. So the problem is, it just keeps going off. That's what the customer brought it for. So let's see, what can we do? Diagnostics. So the customers say it was just keep going on and off. So the problem is this: it have been repaired before, and the battery connector seems to be loose. See if you guys can tell by just looking at it. As you can see, the space, the gap from here, there's a big gap in there. That means it's loose. So in order to fix this, we must unplug this and plug it back in. That's it. Problem solved. And now let's try to turning it on. See if it works. Probably needs charge. Let's connect to charger. I hope that was it. Yep, it's charging. So we'll wait for it to turn on. Till then I'll pause the video. If it does turn on, I'll go ahead and start from where we left off. So it's turned on. Perfect, 2%. That means it's working. So it's just a battery connector. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.